My name is Kylie Williamson, and I am a lecturer in anthropology under the Department of Social, Cultural, and Justice Studies.
My name is Tamina Sharmeen, and I am from the Department of Biology, Geology, and Environmental Science. I'm a lecturer teaching geology classes over there.
So this semester I taught human osteology and osteometry, which was a really exciting class to teach, and my main focus this semester was making sure that students have designated lab time. So the Faculty Fellows group was running concurrently while I was teaching class, and because we were already a little bit squished for time, I didn't have a ton of wiggle room, but I was really excited to have these conversations about reflections on student learnings, and so I think listening to some of the more senior faculty in the Faculty Fellows group really gave me some insight on how to ask pointed questions at students to get them to actually reflect on their own learning processes and practices that they use to actually cement the material and comprehend the material.
I was very happy and fortunate to be a part of the Faculty Fellow group where we shared our difficulties and issues, class-related issues through discussions. When I was teaching lab earlier semester, I found some of the hands-on experiments in the lab were very fun learning for students. So I thought how to incorporate those kind of hands-on experiment in my oceanography lecture classes, and I did that. I added those experiments in my lecture classes, and I found that students enjoyed those classes very much.
The biggest change that I made to my syllabus this semester was adding that designated lab time, where students could work together and collaborate with one another to figure out their own personal tips and tricks. And then on Friday, on the third day of the week, they would actually be quizzed on the material just to make sure that they had kind of learned what they needed to learn, but making sure that we really had that designated time of you are going to spend time in lab focusing on practicing your skills, I think was really important for students, and that received overwhelmingly good feedback from students. Positive feedback from students.
I think the most successful part of the lab innovation in this semester is students' interaction and involvement through group learning. I think group learning becomes more enjoyable and fun when everyone can share their ideas and thought and to find any solution for a specific problem. When they share their ideas, so everybody's voice can be heard through group learning. So when I added those group learning in my lecture classes, I found that students enjoyed that very much.